I'm Séamus and I live with my farmer, Lily.
I'll always be here for cuddles.
We do lots of work on the farm. Wow. Can you help me to become a sheepdog?
A sheepdog?
Careful in the wild, Séamus.
I'll be fine, but I like to sneak off for adventures, to meet all sorts of wild animals. Whoa, look at your eye.
Hi, Séamus. Oh no, a dog.
Oh, don't worry, I'm a nice dog. I wonder who I'll meet today.
Such a beautiful morning. Listen to that. The birds are singing their dawn chorus. Can you hear it, Séamus? Séamus? Can you hear it?
No, I can only hear the birds singing.
The birds singing at this time of day is the dawn chorus. That's what it's called.
Oh. Hey, you know what? I could join the dawn chorus. Then we'll be called the dog chorus. And I can sing sweetly too, you know, Lily. Listen to this.
Oh, that's lovely, Séamus. Why don't you go outside and practice?
Hey, Lily, I'm going to go practice outside.
You should do that.
Good morning. You're up early, Séamus. Where are you off to?
I'm going to the forest to find the birds. I want them to teach me how to sing.
Great idea, Séamus.
Thanks, Frank.
Oh no, Séamus. There are lots of wild animals in there, like badgers and foxes.
I'm an animal too, you know.
Be careful. Don't go too far into the forest. It's easy to get lost.
Don't worry, Sally, I will.
Oh no, a fox.
Oh.
I'm a hungry fox looking for lunch. I'm gonna find a birdie to munch.
Huh? Birdie lunch? What do those horses know, anyway? They're not wild horses. Ow! Whoa! Who left that tree stump there?
Intruder! Intruder! Intruder!
What, where?
Who's this?
Oh, it looks like a dog came into our forest.
Hide quick.
For sure.
Quick, go.
Whoa, this is pretty quiet. Where are the birds? And I can't hear their song anymore. Oh, hey, beautiful birdie. Who are you?
I'm a robin. I live in your garden.
You do?
Yep, every garden has a robin.
Oh, so if you live in my garden, what are you doing out here in the wild woods?
Well, every morning I sing the dawn chorus here with my birdie friends.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm here for. I want to learn the dawn chorus. But why are you not singing like earlier?
We stopped singing to send out stranger danger calls.
Huh? Stranger danger? Oh, where's the danger? Where's the stranger?
You're the danger. You're the stranger.
Me? I'm not a danger.
Oh, yes, you are. You're a dog. Some doggies want to eat little birds, like us.
But why would I eat you? I want to be your friend.
Phew, that's good to know.
Oh, I never knew you could warn each other with stranger danger calls like that. That's really cool.
It sure is. Now back to my love song.
Love song?
We sing in spring when we're looking for love.
Oh, Farmer Lily loves my singing.
Well, let's hear how sweet your voice is.
Okay.
Oh, can you please stop howling?
Hey, what's the danger? Is it the fox I saw coming this way?
No, it's this lad here. His name is Séamus, and he wants to sing the dawn chorus with us.
Oh, a dog! Good idea to send out the warning calls. The warning calls! Has he tried to eat anyone yet?
Oh, I don't eat birds. I eat honey on toast. And I'm not a danger. I've come here to the woods to learn to sing the dawn chorus. Listen. Oh no! Oh, come back! I need you to teach me how to sing.
Oh, my goodness. Don't be howling like that.
Can you teach me how to sing for my farmer Lily? Please, 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 please.
Ah, loving. I don't think so. What's your name again?
Séamus.
Oh, yes. Now, Séamus, you're a dog. You will never sing like us.
Oh, yes, I will. And I'll practice every day. And I'll work very hard, I promise.
But Séamus, doggies bark, birdies sing. You don't even have a beak.
But I have a lovely black nose and a big snout and a floppy tongue. Blah, 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 blah. And I can make lovely noises too. Arf! I mean, arr!
I have an idea, Séamus. Why don't you find some other doggies to sing with?
Okay, maybe I'll do that.
Toodaloo, Séamus.
Hi, Séamus. Did you find any friends?
Yeah, I made lots of friends.
Did you find any birds to teach you the dawn chorus?
Nope, much better than that. Hey, Lily, I went to the woods to learn the dawn chorus. But when they heard me, they stopped singing and started making warning calls to each other.
Well, that's very clever of them, as some dogs are not so friendly.
Yeah, they thought I was a stranger. Like me, a stranger, teacher?
You're no stranger.
Yeah, I know. And I also met a fox. But he did want to eat a bird for his lunch.
Ooh, you can never be too careful.
Oh, and they said they can't teach me how to sing sweetly, 'cause I'm a dog, but I think I should start the dog chorus and sing to you every morning.
Oh, Séamus, I'm not so sure about that.
No, really, listen. Arr, 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 arr. Yeah!